Okay, so my sister's telling me something, and I feel like it's gonna be like a really, really good one.
What?
Something about not trusting somebody who finishes your sandwich. That
Okay.
kind of tickles my fancy. Okay.
Hold on. There's a song. So this is, since you haven't watched Frozen,
Okay.
this is Anna and Hans. Okay. Hans is a prince from Southern Ireland, I guess. Hold on.
Sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say.
Okay. But at the end, Prince Hans doesn't really love Anna.
Okay.
So that's why you don't trust someone that finished your sandwiches.
I think they meant sentence.
No! Sandwiches! Did you not hear the song?
Okay, so I ate JJ's cookie, so JJ shouldn't trust me.
Oh my god, you're so dumb.
What? I'm confused. What?
No, just a sandwich, not the cookie.
Oh, so
a
just a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just a sandwich.
Alrighty.
I think when they say that you shouldn't trust anybody who finishes your sandwiches, I think they meant like don't trust them with your food. Because now JJ doesn't trust me with his food because he knows I'll eat it. I think that's what it meant.
No. Nice.
I like it,
You're
Jay.
so hot.
Wait, come here.
My room's getting invaded with this.
Did you see his face like, oh.
My sister, JJ, and Kate.
Look at your hair like that.
Huh?
Jay.
Yes. They're
Jay.
also in the bed.
Okay, say hi to Dennis. Dennis on the phone. It's so
Hold on,
bright and
hold
sunny
on.
in here.
Say hi.
Say hi, Dennis. Hi, Dennis. Say hi to YouTube. No, say bye, Dennis.
Bye.
You say bye.
Hi, JJ, love you.
Love you.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Kisses, kisses.
He's doing kisses.
Okay, that's enough kisses, Jay. Hi.
Buenos dias.
Hi, camera.
JJ's vlogging
Camera.
too.
Are you vlogging too? Yeah. Do you know how to work it? Do you know how to work it?
Yeah.
How?
Dun 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 dun
Dun, 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 dun.
dun.
Dun, 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 dun. So you guys, JJ and I are in a mission to find Mother Nature and just kind of chat with her and just find out what the heck is going on right now. Like, it is snowing. Can you guys see? It is snowing like crazy. What is going on? See that? It is snowing, coming down pretty hard right now.
I'm making no.
The Mother Nature is making the snow right now.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what the hell she's thinking. I think she's PMSing.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's PMSing.
I'm making fan.
What?
I'm making fan.
Yeah, Mother Nature's missing her pants. I think she got a tickle in her panty.
Oh.
Tickle in the panty? Yeah. It is currently 33 degrees and it was like 60, I think, yesterday. And then right now it's snowing, 33 degrees. And I believe tomorrow it is gonna be, what's the temperature gonna be tomorrow, Jay?
2 block.
2 o'clock? No, I think tomorrow, hold on, I am checking the temperature. Tomorrow will be, okay, check this out. Can you guys see? Tomorrow will be 63 degrees.
Orange.
And then 68 on April
Mama.
1st.
Orange.
But right now, hey, we'll just enjoy the snow.
Orange.
We are in front of our house, buddy. We're waiting for Dada so he can help us find Mother Nature.
Where?
I don't know. We're gonna go look for Mother Nature and tell Mother Nature to stop PMSing and make up her mind. If she wants sunny, then just stay sunny.
I'm looking for
We're looking for Mother Nature. I told you.
Mother Nature idea.
Yeah, she's hiding because she's pretty scared right now because a lot of people are upset what she's doing. So she is hiding from people. A lot of people are upset right now, Jay.
I think and tree.
Hiding in tree?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think she's hiding somewhere else.
Where?
I have no idea.
I think car.
Not in the car.
Where?
Where else do you think she would hide?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Is your foot okay? Is it still hurting?
Looking for
We're gonna go look for Mother Nature.
where?
I don't know. We'll just go look for her.
Where?
I don't know, bud.
Dog.
Hey!
What?
Do you need help?
My.
Pants are falling? Pants are falling, Jay?
Build.
What are you doing? You're doing CPR?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jay. Jay.
Go away. Jay. Say go away, Dada.
Okay, Dada.
I don't like you. Jay.
You, Dada.
Lisa?
I don't like you, Dada.
I don't like you either.
Dada's sleeping, Jay.
Bye,
Jay.
Jay.
Bye.
I don't think he cares.
Oh,
I'll see you later, Jay.
do you need a...
I love you.
What you going?
Love you.
What you going?
To your mom's house?
Oh, my mom. Ow.
Yeah.
Where's your mom's house?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
I'm right.
What are you doing?
I'm looking my mom's house.
You're looking for your mom's house?
Yeah.
I don't think their mom's house back there.
Yeah.
I don't think it's back there. Uh-oh, Dada's sleeping. Where's your Dada going?
Oh, no. Mama.
Yes, Jay. We are just resting for a bit. And then we're gonna go get ready for bed. 5 more minutes. Jay, 5 more minutes, we're gonna go, okay? Yeah. So it's been such a crappy day today. It's raining right now. I think it's still raining. It stopped snowing. And it's just now raining.
Mama.
Yes, Jay.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, welcome. Jack it down.
What?
Jack it down.
Okay.
Jack it down.
Sing a song for Mama.
Jack. Down, 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 down.
Come on, break it down, break it down.
Down, down.
Whoa. You break dancing? Nice dancing, Jay. Oops. Whoa.
You okay? Chucky rocks?
Well, he just did a whole performance for you guys. That was a good performance. That was good, Jay. That was good, buddy. More? Say rock and roll, yeah! Where's your flute? I don't know where your flute is. I don't know. I don't know. How about you just use the microphone? No more flute. Just use the microphone. No, go over there where your horsey. How about you go get on your horsey and sing a song? Get on your horsey right there. Right there, your horsey. Right there, your horsey. Go get on your horsey and sing a song. What are you gonna sing? Amen song. Go ahead, go sing Amen song. How about you sing Barney? See, look, they're singing. Yay! Good job, buddy. Uh-oh. Great singing, bud. Thank you. Bow, bow. Do a bow. Yay! Great job. Yeah? That was good singing, bud. Chucky's turn? Where's Chucky? Where? Are you singing Invisible Chucky?
No, you.
There, they're singing. Whoa. Okay, this boy is going nuts right now. This is with no sleep. Yeah, but he's been melting, like, I don't know, since 2 o'clock today. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog now. We are gonna go get ready for bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You say bye? Hey, Jay. Jay. Hey. Okay, well, JJ said bye. Wait, he's back. You say bye?